Simple homestyle upgrade idea today. From ready-to-eat burger steak, ginawa nating mas complete with vegetables. Ingredients lang, burger steak, carrots, at cabbage for a simple veggies upgrade. Start by heating a pan over a medium heat and add a little oil or butter for extra flavor. Ang carrots, saute lang until slightly tender para mas crunch pa rin. Add cabbage, quick stir hanggang mag-wilt pero fresh pa rin tingnan. Add the burger steak and let it warm slowly together with the vegetables. Dahan-dahan init para juicy pa rin. Pour the savory gravy and let everything simmer for a few minutes. Habang umiinit, mas nagbe-blend ang flavors. Gently mix until well coated. Simple ingredients pero comforting ang lasa. Serve it with warm rice for a complete home-style meal. Perfect for a quick lunch or easy dinner idea. Simple meals like this makes everyday cooking more comforting. Easy kitchen inspiration you can always create at home. Tara, kain po tayo!